Hello friends, how are you doing? Welcome to my YouTube channel Health Q, the place where my mission is to motivate you to look at the brighter side of the health. So, how are you feeling today? The reason why I'm asking you this question is because we are going through this unprecedented time. The time which is uncertain, which is full of worries, and there's so much things that are going on that can easily take toll on our mental health as well as our overall health and well-being. This is the time where we need to gear up and make ourselves more strong, not only physically but also emotionally, to deal with these uncertainties. And that's the reason I'm going through the series where I'm talking more about mental health, well-being and overall wellness. And in today's video, I would be talking to you about meditation and its core benefits. In today's video, I'm going to share with you some of the strong reasons which will give you at least one reason to start meditation. Well, even like you, I am a beginner. I don't do meditation, but going through this past few days, I realized that we need more mental strength, more inner strength, and we need to be internally strong. And that's why I thought that I'll be starting this journey of meditation and will share all the learnings and experiences with you on the go. And that's why this series of meditation has been designed. Now, you must have seen my previous video where I spoke to Monica, who helped me out in starting out with this process of meditation. Now, I did a little bit more research on why meditation is so important and how it can benefit us. So, in today's video, I am going to talk about that itself. So, let's begin. So, first question that everybody should ask themselves is, what exactly is meditation? Well, according to Wikipedia, meditation is a practice where individual uses a technique such as mindfulness, focusing mind in one particular direction, object, thought, or else an activity, which is in the direction to train awareness and achieve a mentally stable, calm, clear state of mind. Now, meditation has been in practice since 1500 BC, but scholars still fail to define it in a very precise term. Hence, every single meditator will have its own definition, own uniqueness, and own unique way of explaining this term meditation. Now, meditation is not a new concept. It's actually a very ancient old concept. It was actually originated from traditions of Hinduism, but also has its presence in other cultural areas as well. From 19th century, the ancient meditative techniques has been accepted culturally and is being practiced worldwide. And it has also set some implication as well as some usage in some non-spiritual aspects of life, like business as well as physical health and well-being. So here are some of the strong benefits that I'm going to share with you, which will make you think at least once that I should also start meditation. So the first benefit is, it is a tool to reduce your stress, anxiety, depression and pain. It increases your level of perception of peace, well-being and calmness. Even many medical researchers have proven that there are psychological as well as physical benefits of meditation and has been helpful in managing many of the neurological as well as other physical health related conditions. These many medical researchers have proven that meditation is helpful in the management of not only neurological disorders but as well as cardiovascular disorders and psychological well-being. It brings clarity and compassion in life. Improves your ability to focus on a task. It eases your symptoms and all the negative thoughts that you might experience in your day-to-day life. The people who have mastered the art of meditation are able to identify the times when they get these negative emotions and are able to control them voluntarily. The people who practice meditation are known to be able to manage stress and anxiety more efficiently than non-meditators. Now, since we all know stress is also one of the key responsible factor for some physical symptoms like inflammation, which is directly related to some life-threatening condition like cancer, and even some other lifestyle issues like hypertension, stroke, heart disease, diabetes mellitus, etc. And according to researchers, meditation have shown effect in reducing the level of inflammation and thus also helps in reducing the chances of developing these sort of lifestyle diseases. And even the people who have this sort of lifestyle diseases have been able to manage these problems very effectively with the help of meditation practice. Meditation has the possibility and enables you to change your mindset and perspective towards your life. It brings more positivity in thoughts and thus rewires your brain to think more creatively, hence thus improves your creative ability. It reduces your level of aggression and irritability. It brings us positive emotions within you and thus helps you to be more compassionate. Hence, these are some of the reasons that makes you think that this is the time when you should consider meditation. So why I'm so much behind this meditation thing right now? Guys, trust me, this is a time where we all are in this phase of uncertainty. We don't know what's going to happen next. Many people are losing their jobs. Many people are getting affected from COVID-19. Since the cases are increasing, there is this fear around us. We need something that can keep us strong internally. I want every single one of you who is watching this video right now to be strong enough to go through this phase and come out of it beautifully and overcome the situation in a very beautiful way and in a very much matured way. And I want to be there with you as your companion in this journey. And that's the reason I brought up this topic on this channel. I hope you like this content, and if yes, make sure to like this video, share this video with your friends and family members, and do not forget to subscribe to HealthQ channel. See you in another video. Thank you.